Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything to the channel or had any content. Just been taking a break, just been working. Kind of just taking some time to myself to enjoy the car because I've been working on this car a long time. She's doing pretty good. I only got one issue with the car. Other than that, the car is actually doing really good. The brakes are working good. The transmission, the clutch, the rear end, all that stuff's doing really good. So the only issue that I'm having, we'll discuss that here in a second, but we are really close to Foxtoberfest, which is a week away, October the 15th, next Saturday. I'm really looking forward to that. I hope to see you guys out there. I've already got my spot. I got my spot today. The tickets went on sale. We have it right here. I haven't even opened the envelope yet. Excuse me. Matter of fact, I still got last year's ballot right there. Check that out. How cool is that? That's how they judge everything. And it gives you an example. But Foxtoberfest, guys, by far is one of my most favorite events to go to. Going back to the car. Car's doing really good. The Brembos are holding up good. I haven't done anything other than put a very expensive battery in there. Yeah, those things are expensive now. Put that battery in there, and I put the good old Sony CD player back in there. So yeah, we're back listening to CDs, which is fine by me because I got a lot of good CDs. No oil leaks, no exhaust leaks. The clutch is holding up, the T5 is holding up, the rear end's holding up. Everything's doing really good. I haven't even had the front end lined yet, but she's actually driving nice and straight. But I don't mean crap about the camber. But still rocking the same tires on the back. I haven't even put any tires on it yet. The front tires are actually new. It just needs some new tires for the back. So still rocking those tires. The first time I carried this thing out, guys, she made 10 pounds of booze, which is only one click on that Turbo Smart. So that might have been the cause of my issue that I'm having. The issue that I'm having is just wanting to push the coolant out of the reservoir. Talked to my engine builder. I don't have any oil in the water or no water in the oil. It's not running hot, but that don't mean nothing. It could have popped the head gasket and it's causing it to pressurize and push that coolant out. So that could be the problem, and that 10 pounds could have been the cause of it. But right now she's all the way down. It's got 5 pounds on it. I still get it out and drive it every now and again. It's running and driving good. There's no problems. Like I said, it's not running hot or anything like that. So Foxtoberfest, next Saturday is Foxtoberfest. When we get back from Foxtoberfest, we're going to start on this little 302 here. Now this is the 302 that I took to Muscle Machine Shop some time ago. If you guys want any work done, make sure you look them up. They're in Lancaster, South Carolina. Some good friends of mine. We grew up together. These guys have been doing this kind of work all their life, so they do really good quality work. So I highly recommend them if you're in this area and you want something done. So I went and picked it up. Brad feels like, Demon, you got to come get your block, man. We need the room. So I went and picked it up today. Got it sitting right here in the shop. She's got new cam bearings in it. As you see, 30 over. And I took them a freeze plug kit, so it's got all brand new freeze plugs. Over here on the workbench, this is some of the parts that we have so far for it. Got a brand new flywheel that's been balanced with the crank. Now this is the stock crank. It's been gone over and cleaned up and all that good stuff. Right here goes the harmonic balancer. So all this stuff's been balanced and ready to go. Right here's the date, 7/29/22. There's my initials. So she is ready to go. As far as that, I need to get the bearings for this, for the main caps. Now, I talk about being at the right place at the right time. When I went and dropped this block off down at Brad Phillips' shop, they just so happened to have these pistons there. Another customer was going to put in his, but then he decided not to. These are brand new. I paid $300 for them. Right there is, if it'll focus. There we go. That's the numbers on the pistons right there. Now, the reason why I bought these pistons, not only do they come with the rings, but you can reuse your stock rod. So that's one reason why I bought these pistons from them. because everybody that's been following my channel for a while knows that I'm a budget guy, and that was a plus for me right there because we can reuse the rods. So that's awesome. Like I said, right place, right time. And as you see, all those are ready to go. And right here is the company. These used to be sold by Ford Racing, if I'm not mistaken, what Bradley told me, or Ford Performance. Right there goes the rings for them. So we got some bits and pieces for the little 306 to get it ready to go in the car. I'm not going to worry about ripping this one out when we get back from Foxtoberfest quite yet. I want to get this 306 pretty much ready to put in. Once it's ready to put in, then we'll take the 302 out and we'll put the 306 in there. I mean, I could take and just pull the heads off this thing and see which side might be blowed. But honestly, I'd rather just pull it out since we're going to build this one right here for the car. Just go ahead and pull it out and stick this one in there. Once we get this 302 right here out, more likely I'm going to stroke this one. This one right here pretty much is going to be a 331 when we get ready to build it. So that's pretty much what I've been up to, guys. Just been working, taking some time off, enjoying the car a little bit, getting geared up for Foxtoberfest. Like I said, is next Saturday, October the 15th. I hope to see some of you guys there. I'm really looking forward to it. A big shout out to Moss Machine Shop for doing all the machine work for me on this block. Shout out to BMF Garage. Go check them out on YouTube for working on a tune for me on this car, man. You know, without great friends, a lot of times this stuff just, you know, it's not that it's not possible, but just having great friends around really makes life a lot easier when you're doing this kind of work. So I really appreciate them guys for everything they do for me and the channel. And I'm really looking forward to Foxtoberfest this year, guys. So I hope to see you there. Like I said, we got our tickets right here. We are ready to go. I hope to see you guys there. The Red Demon, she will be there. I will be there. We get back from Foxtoberfest, we're going to start working on this little 306 right here. The cam, if I didn't mention, if I did, I'll edit it out. But the cam is going to be a comp cam. I think it's 35308 is the one that we're going to go with on this engine. Like I said, we're going to reuse the stock crank and all that stuff. When I was talking to Philip today about head, he usually recommends a company called Liberty. It's an aluminum head. It's a good budget-friendly head. He said they run them a lot on a lot of their customers' engines. So that's probably the head we'll wind up going with. So he's going to be looking into getting some, getting us the right heads for this. We still got to get the roller, the rock arms, the hydraulic lifters, and the push rods for those, or the rods for those. Get ARP bolts, you know, things like that. So just need to start getting some more parts in for this build here. Timing chain cover. I'm not going to reuse this one. We'll save that one for this block here. But I'll get a new timing chain cover, water pump, oil pump, etc. So get that stuff ordered and on the way. But that's it, guys. Just right now, I'm going to leave her be the way she is so we can get her down to Foxtoberfest so you guys can see the car and meet all you guys. Get back. We'll get back on the grind on the Red Demon. I will shoot some video of Foxtoberfest and just keep an eye out on the channel, guys. We'll have a couple videos up of that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of a short, sweet, kind of giving you guys a rundown on what's been going on with the Red Demon and Demon Fox. Not much of nothing. Just been working and enjoying life and trying to enjoy the car a little bit. Other than that issue, I'm really pleased with everything that I've done on the car so far. So, that being said, guys, Foxtoberfest, October 15th, 2022. Hope to see you guys there. If you see me there, holla at me. I appreciate you stopping by, checking out this video. Keep an eye out to the channel. We'll have some more content coming up soon, guys. You don't want to miss the Foxtoberfest videos. Until then, guys, I'll see you in the next one.